Hi kids, let's check out Jiggle's piano. So we have different color of balls and different color of keys. This is purple key, this is blue key, this is green key, yellow, orange and red. And here are different color balls: orange, blue, yellow, green, purple and red. So when we press these different keys, the different music comes. Let's switch it off and then try pressing all these keys. Let's see what happens. So when we press these keys, so they jump from one side to the other side. This is very fun game. So here we have different buttons as well. Yellow color buttons. Let's press them and see what happens. First we need to switch it on from here. So when we press this button, the color mode get activated. So after pressing this, once we'll press the key, it'll tell the color. So this is purple. It is telling that it's blue color. So it's green color. It's yellow. It's telling that it's orange color. It's red color. Now let's try pressing this button. So it's music mode. Let's listen to some music. Can you guess this rhyme? If you have guessed Baba Black Sheep, then it's correct. Let's try with this button. Can you guess? It's Hickory Dickory Dock. Correct. Now let's try pressing this key. Itsy bitsy spider. That's correct. Now let's try with this key. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Yes, now let's try pressing this key. Row, row, row your boat. Were you able to guess right? Now let's try with this key. Round and round, round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. So there are 6 different songs with these 6 different keys. Now let's try with this button. So once we'll play these keys, it will sound this. Do you know what is this? These are the different notes of music. Do, re, mi. Now let's try with this button. What happens? So this is the animal mode. So if you see, there are different animals printed on each key. Here we have a horse. And this is the voice of a horse. Now, a dog is printed on it, and this sound is of a dog. Can you guess? It's a sheep. It's a cow. It's a cat. And the king of the jungle, lion. So we learned about different colors, different faces we recognized, the sounds of different animals we heard. We heard different rhymes. So it was a great fun game to play with. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.